Alright, so I guess I never even said anything as of now. I've decided to record and like I guess post. I always been one to record videos and post them and then like a week later regret it. But now, you know what, I'm gonna just, you know, be a trooper for myself, me, myself, and I'm gonna record my day today because I know I do things that I know that somebody out there must like. Anyways, I guess if you guys were paying attention, earlier I was pointing to my bed and then my other bed. Now, I'm not gonna get really into it, but yes, I'm gonna say I do sleep on the floor over there. And let me just tell you, I ain't going back. That's all I gotta say. Maybe in another video I'll talk about it more, but for now, yes, I do sleep there. How are you, my pretty boy? Okay, so it's cold. It is not warm. I'm not having this kid right now. For sure, not having it. And neither's my cat. Oh my god. There you go. Look at my mans. Oh, I'm gonna go on a run. I didn't even explain that. I'm gonna go on a run. I will say I am not a runner. I never claimed to. I'm not a fighter. I never claimed to be. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go on a run. Not sure what the plan is. If it's gonna be a quick mile or two, trying to get something in. This year, I've begun to run a lot more. And I'm actually proud of myself. I never liked running, but now I'm starting to get into it, and it's become quite a journey for me because I was never really good at running. I'm still not good. I'm not saying that I am, but you know, I'm working. You know, I try to do at least a mile or two every other day. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2-3 months. This ain't for the week. I'm gonna try to be in my room. All right, I'm back from running. I ran 2 miles. Didn't feel that good. Legs felt heavy. Ran at a very slow pace. I think like 13. My legs felt really heavy. There's no excuse. I still ran it, so I can't be like, oh, that was so terrible. I'm not here to complain. You know, nobody likes somebody complaining, so we're gonna keep it pushing. Did run the 2 miles. They weren't that pretty, but I did run them, so that's what matters. I got it done. All right, so I'm back in the shower. Oh, the fit. Let me show you. All right, pants thrifted, shirt thrifted. Also, as well as the necklace. It's an anchor. I got it yesterday, in fact. So I don't know. I definitely was like, oh my god, I gotta have it, and it was like 15 bucks. So I was like, for sure, get now. So that's exactly what I did. Right now, before that, I use coconut oil for my hair. It's better than to use like all these other products that have like these names, these ingredients that you can't even like pronounce. I'd much rather use coconut oil in my hair. Don't use too much of it because it leaves your hair very oily, so don't use too much. And also, I like rubbing it around my skin. It also just smells good. So there's that. Rise and shine. Eggs. Boy, no. I'm here with my brother and my mom. The only reason why I'm here is because I wanted to go to Safeway. Is it? Hit me with it. Alright, I'm back home now. Alright, I'm back home. But a couple things I needed. I needed to get a couple Olippops, coconut water, yogurt, and now the plan is to literally go on a hike, something like that, or I think that's what we're doing, not sure. That reminds me, since I was at the store, as you saw just before this, well, actually Burlington, I was before I went to the grocery store. I was gonna get a bookshelf because I have plenty of books. I like reading, and I was going to like have the bookshelf like somewhere here, right? Of course I need to like clean up a little bit, but that was like the plan. But right when I was literally in line about to pay, I see like a part of the wood has been like cut open. There was like a crack, and I'm like, damn, I was so close to buying it. I was excited too because it was really pretty, but unfortunately, you know, it was already somewhat cracked and it cost $60. So I was like, you know what, it's probably best if I just leave it alone. So that's exactly why I left it there. But yeah, oh, I still have to clean my room and clean my car. Things are being pushed back, but it's fine. We're gonna get it done though. Is it giving Y2K, they say? No. This
Wow.
is totally not Y2K.
You can always hope. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're
Why are you holding it like that?
Because I'm gonna hold it the way
No, I mean turn it so I can actually put it in. Yeah, it's like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in the wilderness. I don't know where we are exactly, but we're exploring. Oh, there's rocks.
Oh, should we get a bamboo tree? Here.
A bamboo tree.
Huh? Somebody's sleeping.
There's my sister. I don't know if you can see her.
Yes, you were there. There we go. Totally not the plan to be here, but now we're here.
My hair is like really flat. It has like no volume to it today, but it's okay.
Maybe one day.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Volume. Huh? Okay, we're done. Cut that bit. Yeah, because this is new. I've never seen this. I was here, what, like a month ago, 2 months ago? This was not here.
No pets allowed.
Hockey starts here, so they've made this for hockey. This would be very, very cool to play with the girls. now we're trying to find a log so we could put wool in our backyard. Because we have one, but we're trying to find another one. We did not find the rock. I mean, not the rock. We did not find the log. We have these right here, right? And all those. But they're too heavy and we would have to take them up this hill. That's too much. That's too much, so no. I don't got food, but hello.
Hey,
Gosh, they smell.
how are you? Yeah. You stink a little bit. Look at the pig. Hi, pig. I want the pig. I'm gonna name what's this? Waddles.
That would be the perfect name, Waddles. Just in memory for what's her name? Mabel from Gravity Falls.
Look, that one's Waddles. This one is Waddles. Hey, Waddles. Hey. Huh? Wow.
Yeah, we were here last time. That's why we brought you guys here.
Oh.
No! That one's pretty. That one's pretty. That's really cool.
I love it. Would I buy it? Yes. Do I have money? No.
Yeah, look, they have raw honey.
Nice.
It's right there.
$18 for
Oh my gosh. Mire cuánto vale. 67. Yes. Pumpkin. All right. Room is clean. Who invited you? Anyways, room is clean. Got laundry done as well. Now, I guess I was going to clean my car, but you know what? I'm gonna have to push that back. I'm gonna have to do that either tomorrow or see when I can do that, because I really want to do more of like a detail, and I don't have the time for that. It is 3:06, so right now I think I'm gonna go help my mom do some yard work. Oh wow. It tastes. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I actually recorded quite a bit, but I'm not gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna have my brother end it for me.
I was supposed to say an inspirational quote, but I have nothing. So peace, bye.